Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be unboxing the Bose SoundLink Color Bluetooth speaker. This speaker connects to your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth enabled devices. It is supposed to have a durable design that is supposed to meet the demands of a mobile lifestyle. It's available in multiple colors to fit our lifestyles. I chose red for personal reasons. It has a Bluetooth pairing, and it is supposed to have an 8-hour charge. Again, this is the Bose SoundLink Color Bluetooth. Okay, let's do the open box. I'm excited to see what's in the box. Okay, so as we open the box, get some instructions, some registration, and this is the speaker here, the Bose SoundLink speaker. And again, I chose the color red, as you can see. Looks like it has a power button, Bluetooth button, volume buttons, then a pause and play button. Okay, it appears to have an AUX option here, an AUX input in here. I guess this is for like MP3 players, headphones, or other portable music. So that seems like a cool feature, just in case you don't want to use the Bluetooth. Okay, so let's see what else in the box. Okay, so the box comes with a power cord, and looks like it just has a USB input to go into the power slot, and then this, the power for the outlet in the wall. So let's just connect this bad boy up. So I'm just going to plug this here, and I'm going to, insert the other piece of the power cord into the back of the Bose speaker. So that's pretty much the assembly. The power cord plugged into the speaker out. I'll plug it into the outlet and charge it up for a while, and then see if I can get a Bluetooth device to connect to the speaker, and I may do a demonstration of that. But I'm kind of excited to see what it sounds like. I probably won't play any music for a demonstration because I don't know what's copyrighted, so I don't want to play any music in this demonstration. But I'm going to plug it up and just either use my tablet or my phone to see if it locates this Bluetooth speaker. But I'm really excited to hear what it sounds like too, and I'm really excited to connect one of my portable devices, either my tablet or my cell phone, to this Bluetooth Bose speaker. If you wouldn't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks. So as I mentioned, I'm just going to plug this guy into the outlet. So I plugged it in to the outlet, and you see a power light flashing once I plugged it in. Okay guys, so just want to add something. This speaker is not waterproof, so don't expose it to any kind of liquids, water, or any kind of splashing, so be careful. So I'm going to press the power button, So as you can see, the the Bluetooth indicator is on, and because I don't have a mobile device turned on currently with the Bluetooth on, it can't find the mobile device. So I'm going to get one of my mobile devices and turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, so on my tablet, I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth for my tablet. So for my tablet, I'm going to select the Bose as what I want to pair it with. So it's connecting to the Bose. So currently it's paired with the Bose. So, the Bose Color SoundLink. So if I had music that I knew was not copyrighted, I would play some music now. But since I'm not sure what music is copyrighted or not, I can't really do a music sound demonstration because I may be playing copyrighted music, and I don't want to play I can't play copyrighted music on this channel. So that's pretty much how you connect, your mobile device to this speaker. And I'm excited to hear what the music sounds like. Unfortunately, I can't let you guys hear what the music sounds like because, like I said, it may be copyrighted music. But this is the Bose SoundLink speaker that I did an open box for, and I'm excited to use. And like I said, I wish I could show you guys or let you guys listen to what the music sounds like, but unfortunately, since it may be copyrighted, I can't. But those are the steps you'll have to do. Plug it in.
Connected to SMT210R.
So it says it's connected. The Bose speaker indicated that it's connected. So if you want to disconnect it,
SMT210R disconnected.
So
Ready to pair.
Just disconnect it. So that's how you connect to the Bose speaker through Bluetooth, and disconnect to the Bose speaker from the Bose speaker through Bluetooth. Plug the speaker in, and then get a some kind of device, tablet, cell phone, MP3 player to play your music with. So you'll plug this guy in, start charging it, or you can charge it up and then have 8 hours of charge, but mine is hard charged to the outlet. And then I paired it with my tablet to show the demonstration on how you pair the Bluetooth with the mobile device. So hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it was helpful. Showing the unboxing of the Bose speaker. And like I said, I'm excited to hear what it sounds like. And if you choose to get one or use one, you'll see what it sounds like, and you'll know exactly how to, use it, connect it, and connect it to a mobile device. If you wouldn't mind, hit that. I would like to sincerely thank you for watching this video to the end. You could have been doing anything with your time, and you decided to watch this video to see how to use the Bose speaker, and I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you very, very much. Until next time. And if you decide to get one of these Bose speakers, you'll know exactly how to, use it. Basically, you'll know how to power it up and how to connect it to your mobile device. Or if, you purchase one for a friend for a present, you can tell them how to use the device. Or if you're just somewhere and, someone has a device and don't know how to use it, you'll know exactly how to tell them how to use their device. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment below or ask the question below, and I'll do my best to answer it.